friends, I hope you all fine and safe. And today we're going to see about JavaScript. So far we worked with HTML and CSS. We know that these programming languages instructs web browser how our web page should be displayed. Okay, as we have discussed already, HTML gives a structure for our website and CSS gives some more designing for the structure. Okay, we also learn HTML and CSS are static languages, yes, that do not interact with the user. It just shows whatever the content which we put inside the web page. Yes, in this section we are going to learn most powerful client-side programming language known as JavaScript. When we say client-side, that the language communicate with only the browser, not the web server. So the communication will take place only in the browser. The client-side language is different from server-side language such as PHP, Python, ASP, like that and all. The server-side language will communicate with web server, not with the web browser. Okay, the work of client-side language stops in web browser itself, and the work of server-side language will stops in web server itself. JavaScript cannot be forced in user's web browser. Remember, JavaScript is a client-side language, meaning that if user turn off the JavaScript support in the web browser, your script will not work. Note that all modern browser will support JavaScript at default when installed. Okay, let me open a new file, index.html. Okay, just closing welcome note. Here I am going to create one HTML file. Again I want to create one JS file. Okay, just creating main.js. So I am splitting it. Okay, I am going to link this main.js to our index.html. For that, you just type script with src. File name is main.js. Main.js. Okay. Just for introduction, I am giving one small program with document dot write ln of double quotes welcome. At last we need to end with semicolon. Just save this and let me run this program. See, in between this body tag nothing is found. Okay, I have given document.write ln of welcome. Let me see the result. Open with Chrome. See, welcome is placed here. That's the usage of document.write. This is a document. In this document I am going to write something. So that's the meaning of this document.write. Okay, instead of this document.write ln, I can give alert also. Just I am adding alert. Alert is a box which will be shown with some text. Save and go there and refresh. So it comes, I am here alert. Okay, these both were working. I already told you that if I turn off my script will not work. Till now our script was working, right? We have shown welcome text and we have shown I am here text in alert. Okay, I am going to turn off my script in my browser. If I turn off my script, it will show error. So instead of showing error, I am going to show just no script option. Okay, inside this no script, this browser won't support, not support script. Okay, just I'm going to the settings, just I'm turning off, again come to the file, refresh. This browser not support script. Okay, so again I'm going there and turning on, come here and refresh. Now it supports. See this document.getElement by id of demo inner HTML equal to 4 plus 7. I have given like this, but it won't show. This is why, because see, this script is running, and welcome, this script is running, but this is not running, right? This is because see, we have linked main.js in the top of the page, right? After that, after loading this main.js only, this p tag is loaded. Okay, so this won't happen when we put the script at the bottom. We can give like here, or you can give after HTML. You just save. Now you go there and refresh. You will be getting the answer. Okay, I hope you got why this error happened. Let me go on for comment section. Comments are very important. Okay, we have two type of comments in JavaScript. One is single line and next one is multiple line. Okay, single line is used for commenting about the particular line. For what purpose this particular line is used for. Okay, we can give the instruction for other person who were working with this same script. So single comment line is also used to protect or prevent the particular JavaScript from execution. See, if I am protecting this line, means it won't visible in the browser, because the execution of that particular lines not take place. Okay. And multiple comment line is used to explain large code blocks. Okay, I highly recommend to use these comment lines. Why? Because we are not going to work on the same project. Someone else is going to continue the project, if not today, in next few days or few years. Okay, they want to know for what purpose we have framed this particular function or framed this particular code. For large code block, this comment line is very important and highly recommended. Okay, then we move on to variables. In JavaScript, variables are mentioned with var. Okay, var a. Okay, now a become a variable. In new format, we are using let. Let me use let. Okay, let b and let c. B is equal to 10 and C equal to 20. Okay, then alert B plus C. Okay, save and run this program. So we got 30. Okay, then just I am changing the C value as hello. Just I am changing integer to string. Okay, see the result, 10 plus hello. Okay, just I am putting 1 here. Let me see what was coming. Nothing found. Okay, because if I am using string at a time, it will be string. Okay, we have just added 1 after giving the string value. We have just added this 1. So it took this as error. Okay, how to find error in browser? You just click on inspect, right click, inspect, and go to console. So you can see here error, unexpected number. So this was the number. Variables are used to store information in a particular name. Here we have saved in B, C. A variable is a normal storage. Okay, the let keyword is a new version. Okay, the name must contain only letters and digits or symbols like dollar symbol or underscore. Dollar symbol or underscore is also no problem. Okay, we can use only these 2 special character, and you can use integer here. Okay, you can use integer. One more thing, we should not use number as a first letter. The first letter should be character, not a digit. That's why I put 1 in second place. If I put 3 in first place, it will shows error. And we want to know one more thing. In JavaScript, we will be using Camel Case. The default functions of JavaScript itself comes with Camel Case. Camel Case means, see, get is a small letter, starts with small letter, and next letter starts with caps, and again next letter starts with caps, and next letter starts with caps. So this is Camel Case. So in JavaScript we will be using Camel Case for representing big variable name. I mean multiple words. And here, see, I have created C1 as a variable. Now let capital C1 is another variable. So small c1 is 1 and capital C1. So here case matters. And also we should not use reserved keywords. Reserved keywords means we will be using let as a variable declaration format, right? So if I am giving let, again let means it will be error. We should not use reserved keywords. And one more reserved keywords, just for example, let return is also a reserved keyword. We should not use these type of keyword as variable name. Then data types. A variable in JavaScript can contain any data type. Okay, if I am putting string data, it becomes a string. When I am changing it as integer, it becomes an integer. Okay, first time it may be string, then next time it may be integer. So it's a dynamically typed. So JavaScript. So this is known as dynamically typed. Okay, so we can represent numbers as 1, 2, 3 like that and all. So we can represent the same thing as 12.5, 12.6 like that floating type. So number can represent two types. One is a number and another one is integer and another one is floating point. Okay, not only integer, floating point type also we can use in the same variable. Just I am giving alert. Okay, 1 by 0. Just save, run. So you will be getting infinity. Infinity is also a data type of JavaScript. So then we can use type of method for type conversion. So just I have given C1 is equal to hello, right? So I can see the type of C1 currently. So type of, in bracket, can give C1. Okay, just refresh. The type of C1 is string. Again, I am going to C1. Just I am changing this as 12. Okay, then save. Refresh. Now the type is number. So this is dynamically typed, which we have already discussed. And we can also convert number to string and string to number. See, if I am converting a string, see, hello, just I am converting this string as number. See, number of C1. Okay, but the value in this C1 is string, but I am converting it to number. Let me see the result. Okay, so this conversion will be failed. But in case if I have given string here, means it won't show error. So hello. Okay, if I have given 1 and I am giving number, let me see the difference. So 1. Okay, when the value in this double quotes is 0 to 9, okay, it may be like this. Okay, anything. It will be converted, but in case of alphanumeric, it won't be converted. Okay, by using number we are unable to convert. So again we can check with just converting Boolean. So we know true. Okay, in converting this, what will happen? Let me see. True means 1. We know, right? If I am giving false, 0. Okay, this is number, data type number. Again I am just using Boolean. Okay, Boolean of 1. Then what will come now? It should come true. So same like 0 means it will come false. Okay, see, if I am giving hello here, what will be coming? It should come with true because value is there. If I am giving empty, then it should be false. Okay, even I give a space, it become true. Okay, I hope you understand this Boolean operation. We have seen string, number and Boolean. I hope you understand what are all the variables here. Okay, let me go on to make some calculations using JavaScript. Just I am removing these and all. Let me create one form. This form contains an input box with ID number 1 and another one box with number 2. Again I have created one button with on-click event. I have used on-click event. JavaScript contains many events, which is very useful for creating a dynamic web page. Which is very useful for creating validation and all. See, I have used on-click option for this button. Okay, just I have created one function, okay, with value click, and I have created one paragraph tag with ID result. I am going to show the value, the addition value of these two input box here. function name which we have already given is add me. Let me declare that a, just I'm giving a, is equal to document dot get element by id of, our id name is number 1 dot value this is not node value, this is value. Again let b is equal to document dot get element by id of number 2 dot value, then let c is equal to a plus b. Again document dot get element by id of result dot inner HTML. Inner HTML is equal to c. See here I want to give parse int of a. Again parse, because it was string, right? So just I am converting that string to integer in order to add these both values. Okay, this we have given like this. Just save it out, refresh, 1 plus 2, click, you got 3. Okay, I hope you understand this small function and also how to create input box and get value from it, and also one action, I mean event, on click event. To that event we just calling the function, I mean JavaScript function. In that function just we have created few variables and we have added those 2 variables, and the result of this function is shown inside this p tag. Okay, let me see how to validate a form. Just I am taking only one text box. Okay, number 1 here, first input box. Okay, I just placed value of that input box in a variable a. Just I am writing if condition, the value a is equal to empty, means just show alert. This should contain something. Okay, in return false. This time let's go to the function. Just save this thing, refresh, without entering anything, just I'm clicking, this should contain something. Okay, I just entering a, click, message won't show. Okay, in order to validate the empty text box we can use like this if condition. Let me create one registration form, and we will give some validations for that form. Okay, we create from initial itself form. Just I am putting in post method. I hope you know what is the difference between get and post. I have told you about this while taking HTML class. Get method is used only for a simple form transactions, like very simple, which won't have secured data. Okay, in case of post you can send secure data also, and I highly recommend to use this post method. So I don't want to give any action, just I am giving label. Label is for first name, enter your first name. Okay. Input, so type is equal to text. ID is equal to first name, and just I am giving name. Name is also first name. Okay, then just I am giving break. Again another label. Label is for last name. Using this space. Enter your last name. Again input. Type is text. In ID is last name. The guy name is also last name. Okay, break. Then we can get email address. So label for get email. Enter email. Then input. You can make it as text or you can make it as email. Type is equal to email. So ID is get email. Name also get email. Break. Then label. Label is for getting phone number. Okay. Enter phone. Then input. It should be number, right? So number. Then ID plus phone. Name is also phone. Let me have one break. And now let me get password. Label is for password 1. We will be getting 2 password. One is password and another one is confirm password. Type is equal to, we can mention it as password. Yes, password 1. Just giving password 1. and ID also password 1. Okay, and break. Again label is for confirm password, password 2, enter confirm password, again input type is password, and name is also password 2, which we have mentioned for label, and ID also password 3, sorry, password 2. And again break, like we stop with giving button submit. Okay, button stop with one button. Okay, on clicking button, let me call form submit function. Okay, submit is text of the button. Save, and let me remove all these styles which we used previously and check for the form. So we have first name, last name, email, phone number and 2 password. Okay, and one submit button. Okay, now let me give validation for this form. Okay, just I'm closing that. See, for this first name and last name, I want to give conversion. I mean, while typing small letters also, the value should be changed to uppercase. For that, I'm just writing here, while key up, on key up, while keys is pressed and released, this action will be takes place on key up. This dot value, in the sense this particular input box value dot value, this particular input box value is equal to this dot value dot to uppercase. Okay, very simple. And I am going to apply the same thing for last name also. Just saving this. Just I am running. See, by pressing, I think it will change to upward. Okay, we have given validation for these 2 boxes. Then for this email, we have given type as email. Yes, here input box type as email. So no need to give validation for this email. While submitting, it will show error. Okay, let me see validation for password. Okay, why? Because for phone number also I have given number, so it only takes number. It won't allow character here. See, if I am typing ABC anything, it won't take. If I am typing number only, it will take. So I am just giving validation for this password field. For that, just I am creating one function, just I'm creating one function on blur, just I'm calling an event on blur, and my function name is check password, just I'm giving check password. Okay, inside this function I am just passing this dot value. Okay, then in JavaScript, function check password, in bracket I am just giving password. Okay, let me see whether my value is, let me see whether I am going in correct way or not. Just I am testing by giving alert the value which comes from this function. Just save, try it here. I didn't save this. Try it here. See, I have entered this value, so my function getting correct value. Yes, I can proceed. Just I am declaring one expression. This means a regular expression which is used for checking the, this is regular expression used for checking the format of the value which is passed in this function. Okay, this regular expression starts with slash and this cap symbol. So this password field can allow small a to small z and capital A to capital Z. Okay, so I can allow all alphanumeric. Okay, for that purpose just I am giving /w. /w in the sense it will allow all alphanumeric values inside this text box. Okay, then the length should be from 7, minimum 7 and maximum 14 digits. Okay, just I am ending this with dollar symbol and slash. Okay, this is expression which is used for checking password. You can add of your own also. You want to give dollar or you want to give underscore, just you can give here, you can add here. Okay, just I am checking by using if condition. If the value which came from the text box, I mean password dot match with exp. Okay, if it match with exp, then you can proceed. Okay, just I am showing an alert box. Correct. Else alert wrong format. Okay, just save it out. Let me test our program. Refresh. So now I am going to give only A. It should show wrong. Yes, wrong format. Okay, now I am giving capital A, small s, D, F, G, H and 1, 2, 3. So the format is correct. Yes. Then we proceed for confirm password. Confirm password in the sense the both text box should contain the same value, right? For that purpose, just I am creating function on blur. Okay, the same on blur. Compare pass. Okay, in this, just I am saving this. In this compare pass. In previous function, we have given this keyword and passed the current value, but in this function just we take document dot, just we take by value by ID option. Okay, this time declaring a value str1 is equal to document dot get element by ID of password 1 dot value, again let str2 is equal to document dot get element by ID dot get element by ID password 2 dot value. Just be comparing these both. Very simple. Just we take if statement. If str1 is equal to str2. So while comparing like this in statement, if we are comparing two values means you want to use double equal to. Okay. If both string were correct, alert password match, else password not match. Let me check this also. A, S, D, F, G, 1, 2, 3. Correct. Yes, I proceed. A, S, D, F, G, 1, 2, 3. Password match. Okay. I hope this video went knowledgeable, and if you like this video, just like. If you have any doubt, please put on in our comment section. Still you not subscribed, you just subscribe. Don't forget to press on bell button. We're going to update many technical trends in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Thank you.